Hey, I'd like to share with you guys some ideas really quick about earning money as a photographer and as a hobbyist. Yes, it may take quite a while to be known as a professional photographer, and honestly, it to be known and gives you the lifestyle that you always aspire. I am one of them, by the way, professionals, but one can still earn about $700 a month for photos. Yes, $700 a month. It's true. It's not very much, but at, still, it helps you at least pay the rent or buy a new camera or lens that you need in your profession. You will notice that your income will continually accelerate what you thought you can never make. And especially, this is what you enjoy doing, this is your passion, so it's actually not like real work at all. So I want to share with you about this site called photographyjobs.net, in which you can register and upload your photos, and then they can be ready for downloading for customers and clients who want to pay for them. Now, you will find some helpful advice on what kinds of photos you must capture in order to be really saleable and to accomplish lots of downloads if you check out the site. Personally, I had more or less $1 for each download. However, there are times I could earn like up to an average of 25. But of course, the more uploads you provide, eventually the more downloads you receive. Honestly, during the initial week, I admit that I never really got that tons of downloads. But yeah, after a while, just being patient, then I noticed that it began to go up, and now my income stream is steadily increasing, accelerating. Although, yes, to be true, it's not right off the bat. It is not free, but then again, as long as you persistently provide good quality and you're uploading good stuff for people and brands, eventually they will notice you. Every good service has a price, and you can enjoy a 7-day trial for only $1, and then you pay $27. But like I said, any good service has a price, and if what you upload of good quality, then you can earn an income absolutely. This is sort of a good channel between you and your clients, so they will give you with several tutorials and useful ideas on what photos, how to make it popular, and honestly, I can't find a similar channel working for free. So I tried it myself, and right away, I never regretted it after I registered. So I think nothing to lose if you should try it for yourself. And you could earn cash like me, who is passionate about this profession, photography, then I'm sure everybody can do it as well. Why not, right? So if you want to start now and don't delay, you can check this link below to start your own making money with photography business. Thank you, have a nice day, and see you in the next round.